Okay, so I just wanted to give you a little quick tip here. If you're like me, maybe a little OCD and this kind of stuff bothers you, where they write the answer to the problem, but then showing their work is like this, and you can't look at it and see maybe where they went wrong, and then this, loose pages, that really kind of drives me crazy. So an alternative to that is doing something like this. I'm going to show you, I'm doing this little comb binding thing. I just made this cover worksheet cover for this little workbook thing. This page is in the Robinson Curriculum official Facebook group. They have these little practice forms where they can do all the work for each problem. It's very neat and organized. It has a little graph paper so that they can keep it to one number per thing. It's gonna look so much better. There's more than just this form. In the same PDF file, there's also like this, if you prefer this. This is for test solutions. Here's some, we don't do the test here. We don't do those, but they have those forms. Also, I just wanted to do a workbook filled with this and make it spiral bound, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is what the finished product looks like. So as you can see, this is going to be, I think, much more organized. Every problem and working the problem is contained in each square. There's enough squares for all the practice problems. So this is, then you can put the lesson there. And this is great too if you need to keep records. So I like this a lot better than this, right? I will put the link to this form from the Facebook group down below, and also a link to this if you're interested, or you can use it, use any kind of comb binder, take it to UPS, they could do it for you. So yeah, that's just my tip of the day.